Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. Today we are going to do a tour of my palettes. So I am not going to be in this video longer than the intro and the outro. So I'm just hopping on to say hello and I'll pop back to say goodbye. But I am going to just show you the palettes that are in my collection and then do like a couple finger swatches of the shades on the palette, probably just finger swatches. But I just wanted to pop in, say hi. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you always for clicking on, subscribing, liking, all of that, commenting, everything. I truly appreciate it. I was waiting till I had a good nail day, so I just finished painting my nails and applying little press-on tips because my nails have been tragic. I have a very more labor-intensive job than I used to have. Like, I'm on my feet more. I'm like constantly like ripping things up and just not, my nails have been through the ringer recently. So we put on like some press-ons and then we painted them, and now I really like the gradient that these are. There's a bunch of different polishes. I'll have them listed down below. Some of them don't have shade names, and I don't know if I'll be able to find the kits on Amazon anymore. So there's that. But yeah, this is going to be a pretty long video. Let me hop off. I do want to disclaim that I will not be showing my Subculture's insides. I will link my Pan That palette up in the cards. If you are curious what my Subculture palette looks like, it's there. I'm not going to spoil anything. So there's that. All right, I will talk to you guys in the outro. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next one. Alright, so that is a tour of my palettes. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I know it was probably a long one. I haven't filmed the actual footage of the palettes, but that always takes me forever to go through. So these are all of the palettes that are in my collection as of April 21st, 2022. Who knows what else is going to come into my collection throughout the next couple months, till, I mean, what is that, 8 months till the end of the year? So who knows what's going to come into my collection within those months, but right now, these are the palettes that I have, and yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!